Come watch with me these Canadian lottery homes. Grab a scoop of ice cream and a ticket to dream.
Life at the lake. Now, wouldn't that be a dream come true? The Okanagan Valley is BC's crown jewel, and this spectacular area of West Kelowna is an area I absolutely love. And it just so happens one of our beautiful prize homes is located at Westrich Bay on the shores of gorgeous Lake Okanagan. Nestled above the private marina and white sand beach, the waterfront at Westrich Bay is a collection of stunning luxury townhomes with an 80-foot infinity pool, indoor golf simulator, fitness center, and so much more. Living here is like living at a resort. With over 2,300 square feet, this deluxe villa has 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Plus, it includes an amazing 565 square foot rooftop terrace. Some of the options included in the upgrade package are hot tub, outdoor kitchen, EV charger in your double car garage, and a 5-year private boat moorage package. Designed for living life to the fullest, the kitchen has top-of-the-line Bosch appliances, including a 30-inch wall oven, integrated refrigerator and dishwasher, plus a built-in drop-door microwave. Porcelain countertops and an extended kitchen island give the space a sophisticated look. The contemporary design continues throughout the home, with wide plank hardwood flooring and a fireplace in the living room. By the way, you'll have your choice of colors from their palette, so you can select what works best for you. Now, winning this stunning townhome is of course fantastic, but the prize gets even better. As part of this grand prize package that's worth over $3 million, you'll receive a spectacular luxury townhome in West Kelowna, $655,000 in cash, a Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab, a Supreme S220 powerboat, $15,000 in Save on Foods gift cards, and $10,000 in Esso gift cards. BC Children's is the only hospital in the province devoted exclusively to children. Your ticket purchase will help shape the future of children's healthcare for years to come. Help make BC's kids mighty.